everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the Microsoft Teams camera is not working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, of how to get the issue resolved. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to search for settings. Best match, so come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select privacy and security. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath app permissions and select camera. You want to make sure camera access is toggled to the on position, as well as if you want to scroll down, make sure that Microsoft Teams is also toggled to the on position. So that'd be the first thing I recommend taking a look at in here. Something else I would look at as well, if you close out of here, and if you right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager, select the Startup Apps icon over on the left side, and you want to locate Microsoft Teams. Make sure that is enabled, so if it says disabled, go ahead and select the enabled button up here at the top, and then again close out of here. Hopefully that has resolved the problem, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.